Okay, time to go out for a nature walk. Okay. There's the jacket there. Okay, another day of doing some random stuff on my nature walk. And what I could do, probably just relax and do stuff like what else would Freddy do? Anyway, I'm going over to see my human friends. Okay. Anyway, street. It's kind of nice actually. We'll probably do it more often. Probably play some mango or something. Okay. So what do I want to do? Probably just play some stuff. What the heck? Ah, shoot. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Hello, what the heck is wrong with you? What the heck is wrong with you? I want to freaking kill you right now. Shush. Shush.
The first one up here is not that.
You left my daddy's swing car.
No, I'm not.
Need to be rest. Just lie down. We time out. And yes. Whoops. I think I hurt my leg. Okay. I do not even know what my friends are doing right now. Probably just playing GTA or Floor's Lava probably. They're probably playing Floor's Lava probably. What the heck? Drain? Seriously? Who needs a freaking drain? Why do I sound like Foxy? This is that got the sore voice again. Come on. Don't hit my life. I want to just quack, 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 quack. Trying to be a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Trying to be a freaking duck. Wait. Let's get up here. Shut up. Shut up.
We're not playing tag.
Shut up. Anyway, be quiet. I'm making a video. Okay. Nice. Oh, sorry about that. That was just my friends, like Funtime Foxy and Funtime Freddy. And out. It's so dumb. Ouch! Oh, God! God! Stains all over me. Put it back. Shush! I'm making a video. Shush! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Anyway, they're so dumb. Anyway, let's get back. They're so annoying. I hate my life. I just fell over. God damn it. I fell over. God, oh, don't like them. I don't want to put them on my sandwiches either. Anyway, probably just like, play some video games. No way, I can't play video games. I'm doing a nature walk. Hopefully I don't see Slenderman out here. Ouch. Ow, ow, ow. Ouch. Anyway, let's see what my friends are doing. Okay, I do not want to know what my friends are doing, by the way, but, okay, does anyone know what Kid and MOS friends are doing? Because they are acting weird. They're playing Floor's Lava. What the heck? What the heck? Why are they playing Floor's Lava? They're weird. Wee, boink. There's so much to explore in this place. Like, I don't know. They tell me there's no car over there. If there's a car over there, I'm going to beat my ass up. Anyway, let's head back. Okay. Okay. Ah! Ah! God, I scored. Ouch. That hurt. I fell on the ground. Damn it! Freaking jerk! Anyway, what should I do now? Probably just do random stuff like.
Why did you get me?
And oh my god, that's so freaking weird.
Hey, stop!
Anyway,
You're
alright, did you get some stuff in there? Wait, what? Ah, my butt's in the face cam. Strange. Alright, I'm not putting nothing in my grinder. Okay, yeah. I think that's my nature walk over. I think I'm going to just head back to the house. Yeah. I hope Chica is going to do it right away. All right. Bye. Please subscribe. I will be a very, very happy bunny if you subscribe. All right. Subscribe and subscribe to my channel. Leave away in the comments what episode should I do. Bye.